Hi there, Chris here. I have this lockout tagout lock, and it is, I don't know what kind it is, safety lockout. It's property of Suki. It's a slider one, and those are the keys, and it works well. I have picked this once, but I have not, I've not managed to pick it on camera, so I thought I would see if I could do that. And it was quite a while ago, so I can't really remember what I did, but I think I'll just try the baby pick in here and see, kind of go in and muck about. I think it's just like, you know, other locks. You find a binder and push down. And you could push up if you think you've overset. And it has guys on both sides. Has, what are those, sliders, I guess. So far I haven't felt anything. But I do remember when I picked it, I did get some core movement. So I'm kind of trying to come up to speed on how this thing picks. That felt like a set. But that's basically the only one so far that's felt like anything. And they all kind of feel loose. I'm not really feeling, that might be a binder, but it might also be set. Oh, we got it open. There we go. So there you go. It's kind of like a Brady type. I'm not going to pull this apart because I don't want to get in trouble. But there you go. A slider lock picked with the baby pick. Woohoo! All right, so there's your Lotolocktuesday. And I did try and hang a little lock off the Suki UFO with some, what is that, dental floss. But that's too heavy for this little guy. It just crashes too much. So I may try a key, just a key, but I will, I'll fly it in the living room, because in the living room it seems to have more room to boogie around and fly, and it doesn't crash so often. But it is a very cool UFO that appeared here, and of course I had to put Suki on it. And anyway, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, Lotolocktuesday, Pocket Woman, great idea. It was a very long time ago that she thought up this, and it is a wonderful idea. So, thanks to all my new subscribers, my old subscribers. Hit the like, leave a comment, subscribe, don't subscribe, hit the don't like, whatever feels right. All right, we will see you next time.